exercise 20.5, it's also related to the factorization. And in this exercise, what type of factorization we are going to solve here. I am going to explain here, okay? Okay, student? And look here,
Okay.
in this exercise, we are going to factorize the trinomial, okay? This, where there are three terms. And in this exercise, we will have the question like this. Look here. Factorization of the trinomial, this one, okay? Of the type ax square plus minus bx plus minus c. This type I have explained you before also. But in that one, this a, look here, in place of a, there were only one. But here, this coefficient of x square will be more than 1. If 1 also, we have to do like that, okay? And if that is more than 1 also, we have to follow the same thing. First, we have to multiply a and c. A is the coefficient of x square and c is the last constant term. Okay, children? And here, Aditya, can you read what is written in the first paragraph?
In the trinomial expression of the form ax squared plus bx plus c, a and b are the numerical coefficient of x square and x respectively, and c is any constant term.
Good. A is the coefficient of x square and b is the coefficient of x and c is the constant term. In such case, I told just okay in today's first one only, and this a and c should be multiplied. Okay, they will be taken as m and n. Okay, m and n. A and C multiplication will be taken as the multiplication of m and n. And this B will be taken as the sum of m and n. Okay, children? And here, look here, I am going to show the process according to the sign of the product. I have told you before this also. When we find the product of A and C, the product of A and C, we have to replace, okay, B as the sum or difference of two numbers m and n, okay, in the following table. Look here, in this table one, look here, as I told you, when you multiply A and C, if it comes positive, when it comes positive, and we find B by adding two numbers, is m and n. Okay, and similarly, when we get negative, the product of A and C is negative, then we find B by subtracting m and n. Okay, so then this I want to show you in example. Look here, in this question. Okay, in this question,
Sir,
yes, please.
Sir, can you show once first one slide?
Okay, the same thing I am explaining here. Okay, please. It will be better if you become clear here. It will be nice. Okay. Look here
Okay,
first.
sir.
This is same. In place of a, what is here?
2x square.
2
2x
only.
square.
2 only.
Hey?
In place of a, there is 2. In place of b, what is there?
7.
7.
7. And in place of c, what is there?
3.
3. Good. First of all, we have to find the product of a and, look here. First we'll find the product of this a. A means 2 and c means here 3. 2 3s are how much it will be? 6. Right? Okay?
Okay, sir.
2 3s are 6 and we have tried 6. Okay? And what is the middle term be there? 7. Okay? By, look at what I want to tell you. When we multiply 2n plus 3, look, last one is plus 3, you get plus, no? Plus 6. This is plus 6, right? When you multiply 2n plus 3, you got plus 6. Then it means we have to get this 7. We have to get the 7 by adding two factors of 6. Can you tell, children, what are the two numbers whose product is plus 6 and whose sum is 7? Can you tell? What are
Sir,
the...
6 and 7.
No, that is not okay. I am just telling again, look here.
Sir, 6 into 1.
Very good, Abhigay. 6 into 1. Because 6 into 1, what will be? 6. And
6.
when we add 6 and 1, what will be? 7. Are you clear, children?
Yes, sir.
So again, I repeat, look here again. When we multiply 2 and 3, 2 and 3, what comes? 6 comes. Plus 6 comes or minus 6 comes, do you know? Plus 6 comes. Plus 3 and 2, this will be plus 6. That's why we get this 7 by adding. That I had shown in previous table. Okay, children? That's why 7 is obtained by adding 6 and 1. 6 ones are 6 and 6 plus 1 is 7. Are you clear, children? That I am showing here. This 2 and 3 product is 6. That's why this plus 6. Then 7 will be obtained by adding. By sum. Okay. What are the two numbers that I already asked and you told me already answer correct? What are they? They are 6 and
6 and 1.
1. Good. Very good. Now look at that. I am going to show you here. In place of 7, we have tried 6 plus 1. And remove the bracket. Then 6 into x, 6x, and 1 into x, 1x. Now, how many terms are there, children?
Sir, you are muted. Sir.
Okay, now are you listening?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
look here. 2 and 3 multiply, then 6 comes, and 6 ones are 6, and 6 plus 1 is 7. Why we add this? Because the product of 2n plus 3 is plus 6. That's why we have to add. Okay, Celine? Are you clear?
Yes.
2x is common, x plus 3, and here plus 1 common, there also x plus 3. We should understand that our factorization is correct by looking this line, second last line. Look, x plus 3 remaining in the bracket is same. It must be same. Then x plus 3 is taken common, then 2x plus 1 is remaining in another bracket. And the factor is this. Are you clear, student?
Yes.
Should I proceed to the next slide?
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, then see here. Another question is here. What will be here? Tell in this question. First, which one we have to multiply? 10 and minus 3. 10 and minus 3, it will be minus 30. It came negative. That's why we have to find this middle. What is the middle coefficient? Aditya, what is the middle coefficient? One. Okay. How to get this one? We will get this one by difference, because 10 and minus 3, if you multiply, it becomes minus 30. Then we get this 1 of the middle coefficient 1, okay, by subtracting. What are the two numbers whose product is minus 30 and difference is 1? Can you tell, student? They are 6 and minus 5. 6 minus 5 is 1, and 6 and minus 5, when you multiply, you will get minus 30. Then now open the bracket, plus 6 into a, plus 6a, plus into minus 5 into a, 5a. Now here became 4 terms. Then now take common 2a. If you take 2a common here remains 5a plus 3. Here is minus 1 common. If you take minus 1 common, then here remains 5a plus 3. Because minus common is already gone here, then plus remains in the bracket. As I told you, this 5a plus 3, 5a plus 3 is common. 5a plus 3 is taken common. The remaining put in another bracket, 2a minus 1. These two are the factors of this algebraic expression. Are you clear, Aditya?
Yes, sir.
Good. Now I am proceeding to the next one. You tell. First of all, which one should you multiply, Celine? First, which should you have to multiply?
3 in
3 into?
1.
Good, very good. 3 ones are 3. Then how to get 4? By adding or subtracting?
Sir,
Three-
adding.
By
3
adding.
plus 1.
You are excellent. Very good, very good. By adding. Because when you multiply 3 and 1, it is positive 3. Then we have to get this 4 by adding 3 and 1. 3 ones are 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. Okay, children? Now remove the bracket 3 1, this 3 into x 3x, 1 into x 1x, then 4 terms, then make the group of 2 terms. 3x is common, x plus 1 is left, 1 is common, then x plus 1 is left, x plus 1 again same. If it is same, then our factorization is correct. X plus 1 is taken common now last, then now 3x plus 1 is remaining in another bracket. Okay, children?
Okay, sir.
Do you have any difficulties here?
No, sir.
Okay, now let's go to another question. What will you do, children? First of all, what will you multiply first?
9 into 4.
Don't tell 9 into 4. 9 into minus 4. Okay?
Okay, sir.
It is minus 36. If minus coming, then we will find this 9 by subtracting. Okay? This middle 9 we will get by subtracting the two numbers. Okay, children? After that, it will be like this. Look here. 12 into minus 3, minus 36. And 12 minus 3 is 9. Middle term is broken into two parts. Now remove the bracket 12 into AB, 12AB minus 3 into AB minus 3AB. Now there are altogether 4 terms. Then we have to take the common of two terms. 3A common, 3A plus 4B left here, minus B common, 3A plus 4B left here, because minus is common already taken here. Then plus left in the bracket. 3A plus 4B is common again. Then what is the remaining in the bracket, student? 3A minus B. Okay? Are you clear?
Okay. Yes, sir.
Do you have any difficulties here? I hope everybody has understood clearly. Is there any confusion in any question?
Sir, can you show number 3?
Okay. This one?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, now let's go to another. In number 5. Children, tell first of all, what should we multiply here?
15 minus 5.
10 minus 5.
What will you get? Minus 75. Okay? Now, how you will get this 22? Do you know? You will get 22 then subtracting. Because this 15 minus 5 came minus 75. That's how we get 22 of this middle term by subtracting the two factors, two numbers. They are 25 and 3. 25 into minus 3, minus 75, and 25 minus 3 is 22. Then when you subtract them, you'll get 22, isn't it? Now remove the bracket. 25 into CD, 25 CD, minus minus plus. Please take care, okay? When you remove the bracket, don't forget to multiply this minus and this inside one minus. This minus and this minus, it will be plus 3CD. Now there are altogether 4 terms. 5C is common. 5C is common. Then if it is left here 3C minus 5D. And here is left D. Look at D is common here. Look at D common. Then what is left here inside this bracket? 3C minus 5D here also. Last 2 terms plus D common. Then 3C minus 5D left. Look here. This both the remaining in the bracket are same. That means we have done correct. If you take 3C minus 5D, 3C minus 5D, then 5C plus D is remaining in the bracket. Okay, children? Do you have any difficulties in this factorization, children?
No, sir.
Can you solve this? Look here, I am giving you some of the work here. Okay, here what will you do? I am giving the hints also here. In the middle term, you'll subtract or add tail. Hello children, please show the response. How will you get this middle one? Minus 1. There is 1. 1 is the coefficient of x. You will get 1 by adding or subtracting?
Subtracting.
By subtracting. 9 8s are 9 minus 8. Okay. Then you can open that and factorize. And here in 2 number, what will you do? It is plus 45. That means we have to get this 14 by adding. Isn't it? How will you get this 14, tell? 9 5s are 45. 9 plus 5 you will add in 14. In 14 you will add 9 plus 5. Okay, Sujin?
Okay, sir.
In question number 2I, how you will get this 12? Do you know? By adding or subtracting? Because 5 and 4, it will be 20. 5 4s are 20. Then we get 12 by adding. 10 2s are 20 and 10 plus 2 you will add in 12. In this 12 you will add 10 plus 2. What will you do, children, in question number 2? This II. 6 into minus 5 minus 30. Minus comes, that's why we get this 7 by subtracting. What will be that? Can you tell? Ten 3s are 30. 10 minus 3 is 7. In place of 7, you write 10 minus 3. Okay? Now I am asking question number 3 to Sujin. How to get this 4 middle term here in question number 3? Sujin, tell answer of my question.
By subtracting.
By subtracting. What will you subtract? Tell please. You get 4 by subtracting, you are right. But what will you subtract? Tell them. 12 5 is 60 coming, then what will be here?
So 10 and 6.
Very good, very good. 10 minus 6. 10 minus 6 is 4. 10 6 are 60. You are right. You are absolutely right. Now I am asking to Sarita. Sarita, how to get this middle term of this IV number 30? 13 this. How will you get 13 this? By adding or subtracting? First of all, tell that. By adding or subtracting? Hello, Sarita. So the response.
Sir, adding.
By adding. What will you add? What will you add? 5 6 are 30. 5 6 are 30. Then 10 3 are 30. 10 plus 3 you write here. 10 plus 3 you write here in 13. Okay, children?
Yes, sir.
Now in question number 5, 10 and 6, 60. Okay, 10 into 6, 60. How you will get the 17? By adding or subtracting? Can you tell? By adding. Because 10 and 6 is positive 60 coming, no? That's why by adding you will get 17. How you get 17 this then? Then it will be 12 5s are. 12 plus 5 is 17, 12 5 is 12 into 5 is 60. And question number VI, what will you do? 8 into 3 is 24 and we will get this 10.